Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining in. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thanks for joining. And I upload a variety of content, which includes DIYs, home decor, inspiration, recipes, and family videos. So hopefully some of that content will spark your interest. So go ahead, subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you can get notifications on all of my videos. Now, for this one, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY on this beach house for my tier tray. So come on in and let me share with you how I did it. First off, I'm starting out with this piece that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree wood section, and it has these two holes there from where the jute rope was. So I filled in the bottom hole using this wood filler or this putty and sanded off a little bit. But for the top piece, I'm not gonna fill that hole. I'm gonna use these popsicle sticks, and they're gonna be this to make this line to separate my roof of the house to the bottom part of the house. And then next, guys, I'm going to put a light stain on the roof part, and I'm going to do it by using a soft rag and not with a brush or a sponge because it'll go on too thick. So this is just a light one coat that I'm going to do on the roof part. Now, guys, for my shingles, I'm using the smaller popsicle sticks, and I'm going to stain one side of those, and I'm not going to do the back side. I'm just going to stain the front side the same way as I did on the roof. And then the larger popsicle sticks, I'm going to stain those for the windows and the doors on the house. So next, I'm going to paint the house with this chalk paint, and then I'm going to take my pruning shears and make my shingles for the roof with the popsicle sticks. So that is what I'm doing here. And then, of course, after that, you'll just see that I'm going to be gluing it on with some wood glue. Now this is what my roof looked like when it's finished. I have all of the shingles glued on, and I took the edges of the popsicle sticks to put at the bottom of the roofing for the final touch on that. And then I'm using the wider popsicle sticks, cutting the ends of those off to make my window shutters and doors. And I'm going to do that by etching in that look using my Dremel tool. And here I'm just drilling and in the lines on the shutters for the windows. And I'm going to do the same thing for the windows on the door and the doorknob. So once I'm finished with that part, I have another piece of wood I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue the house on to that piece to put it up on the stilts to give it that beach house look. And then I cut my stilts and stairs, glued them onto that, and now you have your beach house sitting on stilts. And this is the final look of the beach house. Now for my sign, this is a wooden pallet from the Dollar Tree wood section as well. And I took off one piece on the pallet, and I'm using 2 wide popsicle sticks as well, and I'm staining those just as I did the other pieces for the house. Then I cut on my cutting machine, printed out the sign, the word beach, and I also print out the one that said poolside. And then I'm just going to use my pruning shears and make an arrow for both pieces, add in my lettering, and that's how I'm making the sign. And then the thicker piece that I pulled from the wooden pallet, these 2 pieces are going to be glued to it. And then I'm just took pieces of the wider popsicle sticks and made the stand to glue it on. And that is how I make the sign. And here is the final look for my sign. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. Like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.